Hi friends, today I'm working on something close to my heart. I work with an amazing group of people from an organization called Inspiro Arts Alliance. You can read more about it in the description below. They are artists from all over the world, painters, dancers, musicians, each one incredibly talented and ready to lift others up. Recently, we had the rare privilege of meeting face to face in South Africa. It was my first time there, and let me tell you, it was breathtaking. I'll share more about that in a future video, so stay tuned. But today, I wanted to take some time to create something meaningful for my team. I wanted to give them something that symbolizes how we belong to one another, how our work and lives are connected even when we are scattered across the globe. So, here's the idea. I'm painting one image, a single piece of art, but once it's finished, I'm going to divide it into 10 sections. Each piece will become a greeting card, a small thank you for each person on the team. Each card holds a unique piece of the painting. On their own, they feel complete, but together they reveal a larger whole, just like our interconnected work creates something greater. I love how this process reminds me that we are not meant to go it alone. Whether we are creating, serving, or simply living, we need each other. These cards are my way of saying thank you for the beauty and the strength they bring to the team. So, here they are, 10 pieces of one painting, now ready to go out into the world. Thank you for spending this time with me today, and I hope this inspires you to create something meaningful for the people around you. I'll see you soon with stories and art from South Africa.